English grammar. Topic: question tags. Question tags. A tag question is a small question added to a statement and it doesn't expect an answer but asked merely to seek the listener's approval. So, a question tag is a small question that is added at the end of the sentence. So, let us see few examples. First one is, it is a fine day. So, the question will come to that is or the tag which we add is the isn't it. So, the added question tag to the first sentence is isn't it. Second one is, it is not raining now. So, the added question tag in the second sentence is it. Third one is, they could hear me. So, the added question tag in the third sentence is, couldn't they? Now, when you are learning the question tag or when you are adding a tag to the statement, you should always remember the following points. Keep the following points in mind while framing tag questions. First one is, if the statement is positive, then the tag question is negative. Example, it is an impossible dream. Here, this statement is a positive statement. Now, how do you come to know that a statement is a negative one? When the sentence contains the word like not, no, nor, neither. Such words are said to be the negative words. So, if a statement containing such words is called a negative statement. So, the first point which is stated here is, if the statement is positive, then the tag question is negative. That means the statement, it is an impossible dream, is a positive statement. Now, when we are adding a tag to it, it should be a negative tag. Now, how to add a tag? Whenever you are adding a tag, you should always make the use of the helping verb which is in the sentence, and the helping verb should be added in the tag. So, the statement is a positive statement. So, with the help of the helping verb, the tag will become a negative one. So, the tag added in the sentence is isn't it. Second one is, if the statement is negative, then the tag question is positive. Example, they are not doing a good job. In this sentence, the word not doing is a negative word. So, the statement is negative. And in the sentence, the helping verb is are. So, with the help of helping verb, we are going to add a positive tag to the sentence. So, the tag added to the sentence is are they. Third one is the subject of the tag question is always a pronoun and never a noun. Example, he did not lose hope. So, in this sentence, he is a pronoun, as a pronoun is a word which is used instead of a noun. So, by adding a question tag, you should always use a pronoun and not a noun. And along with the pronoun, this sentence is in the negative statement. So, the tag will be a positive tag. So, did he is the added tag to the sentence. Fourth one is a comma is placed between the statement and the tag question. Example, we will feel safe and protected. So, whenever you are writing or adding a tag to the sentence, always remember between the sentence and the question tag, a comma should be there. So the sentence, we will feel safe and protected, is a positive sentence. So the added tag to the sentence will be a negative tag. So the added tag to the sentence is won't we. Fifth one is the tag question should always begin with a small letter. So, whenever you are adding a question tag to the statement, it should always be with the small letters. Example, she can sing melodiously. So, the sentence is positive. So, the tag will become negative. And in the sentence, the helping verb is can. So, the question tag to the sentence will be can't she. Sixth one is there should be a question mark at the end of the tag question. Example, we do not see and react to the present. So, in the sentence, whenever you are adding a tag, a question mark is compulsory. Seventh one is if the main clause is an imperative, we use the tag will you. Imperatives are sentences which show orders or commands. So the rule is if the main clause is an imperative, use the tag will you whether or not the main clause is in positive or negative is not important, or if an auxiliary verb is used or not, because if the main clause is an imperative, the tag will you is being used. Example, have some more rice. Have some more rice. Will you? Have some rice is an example of an imperative. It shows commands. That's why the tag will you is used. Eighth one is if let us is used in the statement, our tag should be shall we. Example, let's go to the beach. Let's go to the beach, shall we? Let us or let's as contracted is a form of suggesting something. That's why we use a tag shall we as a way of asking if the person agrees with you. Example: add the correct question tags to these questions. So here the question tags are already added. So let us see few examples. First one is Mr. Maxon is from Ireland, isn't he? So Mr. Maxon is a noun and the statement is a positive one. So the tag will be -1 and the helping verb is. And in the statement, Mr. Maxon is a noun. But we are not supposed to use the noun. So instead of Maxon, it will become he. So this positive will change into negative as isn't he. So the question tag to the first statement is isn't he. Second one, the car isn't in the garage, is it? So in this statement, isn't is the helping verb and the statement is in the negative form. So the tag will come in the positive form. So in the sentence, the car is an object. So we do not say he or she. We say it as it. So it will become is it. So the added tag to the second statement is it. The third one is you are John, aren't you? So the statement is a positive statement and are is a helping verb. So it will become aren't you. So the question tag added to the third statement is aren't you. Fourth one is she went to the library yesterday, didn't she? So the statement is a positive statement and the question tag added to the fourth statement is didn't she. Fifth one is he didn't recognize me, did he? So it is a negative statement which will be into a positive statement. So the question tag added to the fifth statement is did he? Example: add the correct question tags to these questions. So the question tags are already added. So let us see few examples of question tags. Seventh one is Mr. Richard has been to Scotland recently, hasn't he? So it is a positive statement and will change to negative. So the question tag added to the seventh statement is hasn't he. As Mr. Richard is a noun, we don't make use of a noun. So it will be used as a pronoun. So it will become hasn't he. So the question tag added to the seventh sentence is hasn't he. Eighth one is the trip is very expensive, isn't it? So the statement is a positive statement and the question tag added to the eighth sentence is isn't it. Ninth one is he won't tell her, will he? So it is a negative statement. So the question tag to be added will be positive. So the question tag added to the ninth sentence is will he. 10th one is Billy had a red car. Hadn't he? So the statement is a positive statement and the question tag added to the statement is a negative one. So the question tag added to the 10th sentence is hadn't he. 11th one is they are going home from school, aren't they? So again this is a positive statement which will change into a negative with the help of helping verb. So the question tag added to the 11th sentence is aren't they. 12th one is Mary did not do her homework last Monday. Did she? So it is a negative statement changing to positive and Mary as a noun changing to pronoun. So the question tag added in the 12th sentence is did she. Exercise. Add the correct question tags to these questions. First one is he could have brought a new car. Second one is Kevin will come tonight. Third one is I am clever. Fourth one is the sun is shining today. Fifth one is the police found some fingerprints on the wall. Sixth one is nobody could hear it in the middle of the night. So the sentences are given and you have to add a correct question tag to each of the sentence. Exercise. Add the correct question tags to these questions. Seventh one is come to the meeting on time. Eighth one is he always forgets his homework. Ninth one is you would like to come with us. 10th one is those men played really well. 11th one is we can't stop here. 12th one is let's have another coffee. So sentences are given and you have to add the correct question tag to each of this sentence. Thank you.